now, the real estate inventory in Annapolis is not following the trend that we are seeing in other Maryland markets and nationwide. Inventory this week is down and new listings are slow to come to market, but Annapolis is seeing a similar trend regarding buyer activity elsewhere. It has slowed down for these homes on the market and contracts are down again this week. It's Friday, July 1st, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. As we are seeing many areas of the Maryland real estate market adjusting, Annapolis will likely soon follow. So, sellers on the market now or coming to the market need to prepare for staying on the market longer than 7 days. This is likely to be a bit painful for many sellers and their agents who have never experienced a normal market of waiting 30 to 60 days or longer before a contract is received. Sellers also need to prepare for a tightening up on appraisal values, especially if the home is overpriced, in poor condition, or stacked for a future appreciation trend that is no longer here. Price well at the listing debut for your best strategy, or you'll be chasing the market, which means less money and longer time before you actually do sell. Of course, Annapolis is an unusual market because there is a lot of money here, and there are cash buyers coming from other high-priced markets, snapping up the fine homes here at prices that those buyers feel are bargains. But in the moderate and first-time home buyers, they're still seeing a short supply of options. Right now, there are 149 homes for sale in Annapolis, which is a 13% decrease from last week's report. 19 homes are coming soon, a 39% decrease from last week. 35 homes came to the market last week. Again, this is fewer than the prior week. 30 homes went under contract, also fewer than last week. 24 homes are temporarily off the market, holding steady from last week. 14 homes went pending, which is down 25%. 35 homes sold in a median 7 days with a downward slide in price to 100% list-to-sale ratio. The highest sale this past week was in Wardour of West Annapolis for $6,480,000. Rental inventory remains steady at 18 properties, averaging $3,000 per month, so rentals have no relief yet. As we go into the Independence Day holiday weekend, be sure to check out our updated holiday calendar for holiday events all over Maryland. Find the link below, and a special thanks to my mother for the hat and the scarf. She's awesome. And if I can answer any of your buying or selling questions, give me a call. That's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, July 1st, 2022. Have a safe and wonderful holiday weekend. Until next time, thanks for tuning in.